Welcome to Advanced SEO Tips and Tricks. You already know the fundamentals of YouTube SEO. Now we are going beyond the basics. These strategies are used by fast-growing channels, yet most creators still ignore them. If you want stronger visibility and faster growth, apply what you learn here. Step 1. Optimize for suggested videos. Most YouTube views do not come from search. They come from suggested videos. To get recommended next to popular content, choose a successful video from your niche. Use a similar title, style, topic, and keywords. Add that competitor's video into your tags as relevant contextual tags. Create a strong thumbnail style that matches the topic trend. When YouTube sees similarity, your video has a higher chance of appearing in the Up Next section. This is one of the fastest ways for new channels to gain attention. Step 2. Use hidden metadata to improve rankings. YouTube listens to your video. Automatic captions help the algorithm understand your topic. So say your main keyword naturally in the first 30 seconds. Key talking points. The final summary. Also upload accurate captions if possible. This boosts SEO and accessibility together. Don't forget your file name. Rename the video file using your keyword before uploading. Example: How to grow YouTube channel, MP4. This sends an early signal to YouTube about your topic. Step 3. Create SEO boosting playlists. Playlists are not just organization tools. They are a ranking asset. Give playlists searchable titles such as How to Grow on YouTube, YouTube SEO Tips for Beginners. Add your new video to at least 2 playlists. This increases watch session time. More session time equals more promotion for your channel. Step 4. Advanced keyword tools for better discovery. Use these next-level tools. vidIQ's Rising Keywords shows fast-growing search terms. TubeBuddy's SEO Studio guides your entire optimization step by step. Google Trends helps you compare topic demand over time. Focus on keywords that are rising, not falling. This gives your video a future advantage. Step 5. Improve CTR with behavioral triggers. Your thumbnail affects whether viewers click or scroll past. Use these elements to increase clicks instantly. High contrast background. The clear subject close-up. Bold text with 2 or 4 words maxima. Curiosity. Show the outcome, not just the topic. CTR improvement leads to immediate visibility growth. Step 6. Refresh SEO after publishing. If a video slows down, update it. Improve the title. Change thumbnail design. Add stronger tags. Refresh the first lines of description. Add it to a new playlist. This re-signals relevance to YouTube. Some videos take off after a single strategic update. Advanced SEO is not magic. It is a system that continues improving your ranking potential. When you apply these techniques, YouTube understands your content better. Viewers find your content more easily, and the algorithm rewards your channel with more reach. These advanced SEO tips and tricks are important because they push you into suggested videos. They help you compete against bigger channels. They make your videos discoverable long-term. They turn a single upload into ongoing growth. Advanced SEO is what separates serious YouTube creators from everyone else. In the next lesson, we will optimize your video descriptions for maximum discoverability. Descriptions are a major SEO tool, and most creators do not use them correctly. Let's move to the next step of your YouTube growth journey. Thank you for watching.